Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're doing great. Nakash Afzal back with another excited video tutorial. So I always make a video for those things which I really use it and like it, and it's really benefits me. So this is the thing I will show you today, how you can create your own web application. So without any coding, you just need English instruction, so he can create everything for you without any coding. And that's the same website I asked to a freelancer. He charged me $3,000. He didn't charge me, he gave me a code for $3,000. So I create this website in like 2 hours with this really amazing tool. So stay with me in this video. I will show you. First let me show you this website which I create by using that tool. This is really awesome website. This is just a demo. I'm not using it for a professional, as you can see here. So basically this is the brand growth suite. So if you like to uh, generate any kind of image of your product, you want any strategy, and a lot of thing is there. So we are not going through in this website, I'm just showing you what is the. So it's 100% working website. So let me show you. So that's the brand launchpad. So photo editor, image generator, video generator, logo generator. So let's check a logo generator. So let me add my brand name, like let's say null pk. Yes, technology concept I need only two. Logo style, just let's say geometric. Color palette I don't care. Mood and spray I don't care. And keyword for visual element, just anything like robot. What to avoid, I don't want to avoid anything. Generate logo concept, just click here and you need to wait. So you don't need to do any setting for server or anything, it can run for you. But yes, you need to, as you see here. So that's our logo. You can generate more anything you want. And there is a brand launch content factory, so it can create a full campaign for you. Just type your goal, what you want, target audience, creative angle, select channel, generate content, everything they give you. And by the way, everything is working on this website. So let's begin to create this kind of application. So there is one more example I'm creating right now. This website, that's the review website for tool directories. So as you can see here, it's fully working website. So let me show you how we can do this. First of all, you need to go on, you must have a Gmail account. So I hope everyone have that. So first go on aistudio.google.com. So that's the website, you need to go here. And the second step, you need to go on console.cloud.google.com. So if you don't have if you don't activate your account, it's okay, it can work without that. But I suggest you just activate your account. You just need your payment method. So they don't charge you anything, just maybe $1 for verification your payment method. And they allow you 1300 credit to use for your okay, they give you basically $300 for 3 months, and 1000 generative AI credit, $1000. Like you, if you use anything like nano banana or vertex AI. If you don't know about this, don't worry, so we go through it later. So if you don't want, it's okay. First of all, just go on aistudio.google.com, and there is a tab here, just open that, and here you find a build here. Just click on build, and that's the application where you can create that's the tool where you can create all websites by just English instruction. So there is some template here. We have a fit check, but different people create this template. If you like, you can use from there, or you can build your own from this scratch. So my favorite method, what I can do here, let's see, let's say I want to create a website for what, let's see. uh-huh uh-huh I want to create a website for professional portrait generation. So just you can upload your photo and he can generate a really amazing photo of you, like with Cristiano Ronaldo, with different celebrities. So let's write here, create web application for professional video generation. Don't worry about it, just run it, then we can change it, we can do anything we want. So if you like to give a photo or any kind of thing, just click here, run prompt. So just wait a few minutes, so it's thinking now. Just you need to wait here. So this is a really powerful tool, by the way. I believe you can build anything with that. So there is some cons and pros, some restriction, some limitation. But if you are a programmer, see, they write everything for you. You don't need to do anything. All code they are writing by themselves. Just wait to finish this all. So then we go to next step here. Okay, as you can see here, now they are writing Gemini service.ts. So by the way, they use your API key. So there is limitation if you don't have paired API. So there is few limitations. You can use it by yourself, or you can buy a paid API. So it's benefit for you if you want to use it for long term. Okay, so I believe that's done. So now let's take a look. Here you go, they created it's not a prototype, it's a working web application. So as you can see here, so that's our previous. So there is one mistake, I don't want a video generator because this takes really long to generate a video if I do it in video. So let's change it to a image. So let's just write here, not video generator, I need professional image generator. So just control enter and they can do everything by itself. So it's really amazing, just with the power of one button. So as you can see here, it's updating and doing everything. So now they are working and changing everything here. So it's take a little time here because it's depend on your instruction, what are you asking for. So be patient and let him work by itself. Loading indicator, icons, image display. So as you can see here, or everything is finished now. As you can see here, as you can see here, all changing is done, but there is one more problem. They add what we say here, sorry, prompt to image. So we need image to image here. So what we do here, we just write here, also add option to upload image and add few suggestions and prompt, sorry, not few suggestion, few example prompts for professional and fun portrait generation. So it's again take a time, so we will back after it's finished though. यार कंप्यूटर ले आने दिख रहा भैन बड़े सारे तो खराब हो गए ने 40,000 च 2 तू ले आने वे कितों मिल रही ले या कोई भी 40,000 च दो दो ही चाहिए हैं। अच्छा। Okay, so as you can see here, all changing is done. So they add now upload option. So let's add my photo here. Let me see which one is ugliest one. So let's add this one and write. Let's use any example prompt here. Generate image. So you need to wait here. So it's take a little time because it's using a Google Gemini API. So if you don't know what is API, so this is a code which can allow you to use a application through your backends. So let's see. So as you can see here, it's done nothing, just make it little bit blur here. So profile focus blurred background. So they did it, but they didn't add anything. So let's change it to something different. Rather into fantastic, so just generate this one. Let's see if it's do something or not. Okay, they did something, but yeah, they did something. Let's see. Let me show you. Let me check something else here. So if we go on Gemini, I have some prompts here. So let's copy this prompt here. So let's say please use advanced prompts to generate really good professional portrait like this one example. So just write your prompt here. So you need to be a creative when you're writing something or giving some kind of command, but don't worry, just write anything. If you have anything in your mind, just write it there and he can do something, so don't worry. So now they are using Imagine 4.0, so it's little bit expensive than others. Oh, okay, it's done. Now they add something more advanced prompt. So let's try again with my photo here. Let's see what it do. Let's check this one. So as you can see here, this is really great. So it's look like similar to me, but not from teeth. So let's try something else here. So that's the different example. You can ask him to add more example with categories. So let's see. So let's say here generate this one and let's add some more. So I did something. So make add more advanced features. So this video is only for giving you a little preview about this tool here. If you want to have okay, so all changing is done. So this is just a preview of tool. I'm not going too deep, so it's just a video to show you what you can do with that. So it's really advanced. You can do anything, you can give any instruction, so they can create any kind of website for you. So you can integrate it with different application like Supabase. So like if you want to have a backend, so you can connect it with Supabase or Firebase, so people can register, login, and you can sell membership here. So we are not going to too deep in that. So if you want, so just comment below, so I will make the video on that. So after all your changing, just deploy your app. So it can deploy your app on Google run Cloud Run. So that's from the Google, so but you need to pay for that. If you have $300 credit for 3 months, so you can use that as well. So if you don't want to upload on Google Cloud Run, so just download your app code and upload on any local server, so you can use it through your Google Gemini API. So that's all for today. If you like this video, just like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.